Do you like to learn new things? Today we're going to learn 5 new ways to use essential oils that most people don't think about using. First oil we're going to use is lemon essential oil. This is an uplifting oil. It's a cleanser, detoxifier, disinfectant. A lot of people use it for that. But did you know you can use it as a goo gone? So I have a jar here that has been run through the dishwasher, but it left all the goo. So we can simply take and drop some lemon essential oil on here. Let it soak in. And then take a paper towel. And we're going to add some oil to that too. And you can see the goo is coming off. And I'm not using a lot of pressure. And there you have a non-toxic goo gone. Have you ever accidentally grabbed a Sharpie instead of your dry erase pen and written on your whiteboard? It's a sad thing. Sharpie does not come off very easily. And instead of throwing your Sharpie away, we will going to have a bonus hack with lemon essential oil. Simply take a couple drops of lemon essential oil, add it to a cloth or a paper towel or gauze or whatever, and within minutes, your whiteboard is good as new. This also works on walls if you have one of those budding artists of the shorter variety who get a hold of your Sharpies and create a masterpiece on your wall. Lemon oil will take care of that without taking off your paint. So there are a couple bonus ways to use your lemon essential oil. Do you have someone in your home who has horribly stinky shoes that you don't want anywhere near you? Cotton ball and a few drops of oil can help remedy that situation. So 2 oils that doTERRA has that are designed to help get rid of smells are Purify and AirX. You can also use any other oil. Wintergreen would be lovely, Siberian fir, something cedar wood would be nice. I happen to really like AirX, so I'm going to take and put a couple drops of AirX on a cotton ball, drop it in the stinky shoes, set them out in the entryway, in a closet, in the garage overnight, and when I get them in the morning, they will smell heavenly. Much better than what they were. So there's a new way to use your AirX or your Purify. The next hack involves DigestZen oil. This is a blend that is designed for everything in the intestine to support the gut. Your esophagus, your stomach, your intestines, every issue involving those areas. However, it also is great for sinus pressure. Yes! Just take a little bit, dab it over your sinuses. You don't want to get it too close to your eyes because there is peppermint in here. And within a minute or 2, your sinuses will be open and breathing much clearer. It also helps with those seasonal challenges with all the pollen floating in the air and all the grasses. Sometimes we get watery eyes and a runny nose with that. Take your DigestZen, a little bit, and just rub it along your jaw or along your throat, and within a minute or so, you will be breathing clearer and your watery eyes will be not doing that so much, and you'll have a much more comfortable day. So 2 ways to use your DigestZen in ways that you wouldn't think they would work. Have you ever been on an airplane and your ears refuse to pop? They're plugged up. There's a lot of pressure there. It can be miserable. Here we have Aromatouch to the rescue. Aromatouch is the massage blend, which is always nice to have on a trip anyway, because who couldn't use a nice massage? But it also can help relieve congestion and pressure. So just a little bit in front of and behind your ear on both sides, and soon you'll find that your ears are much more comfortable. Aromatouch is also known to help increase circulation. And when you're sitting still on a plane, sometimes the circulation to your feet isn't all that great. Put a few drops in your hand, rub them together, rub them on your calves, your ankles to help with the circulation. It also can help with the tightening and spasming of your muscles, which can be really uncomfortable on planes. When you're done, take the extra, rub it along your head and neck, hit your lower back too, because those seem to be the areas that get tense and tight and achy when you're having to sit still on a plane. And then enjoy your trip. Our next hack involves these little teeny rubber bands. These are wonderful to use on small children because their hair is so fine and there's not a lot of it. It's great if you're doing tiny braids too, or a bunch of little ponytails, where if you used a regular hair tie, you would have more hair tie than hair. So, but once they're in pretty good, and it's not a lot of fun getting them out. You may have some crying going on. There we have Wild Orange to the rescue. Just a little bit on your fingers, on your thumb, rub it between there, and then rub it on that hair tie, and it breaks it. And you can easily get it out. No tears. Great smelling hair. Makes for a much happier household. There's a new way to use Wild Orange essential oil. And there you have 5 hacks, plus a few bonus hacks on different ways you can use essential oils in your home. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. I will be making new videos each week on how you can use essential oils in your home to help support your health and wellness, because they don't do you any good sitting on your shelf. We want to use them. Thanks for joining me.